New house, here
Yay.
we go. Bittersweet, okay, the curly cues. This is the orange roots. It's taking over your tree up there, right, at the top. There's a vine that's this thick at the base. Just sever it and then monitor, okay? And there's a lot of little seedlings around, but that you can pull those out easily. So the bittersweet, the burning bush, the honeysuckle, Morrow's honeysuckle. There's more honeysuckle all in here. Garlic mustard, right here. The seeds have already exploded off, so now you're gonna have little ones next year. Grab those before they go to seed and spread everywhere again, okay? And then you've got buckthorn. So, and you've got a lot of it. You've got a lot of this over here, and it's coming into flower now. I would cut this down, very invasive, and you've got a bunch of it all along. Smaller ones you can dig out, the bigger ones not so much. There's one more I neglected to mention, I forgot about it, barberry.
Okay.
You only have one so far, you'll have more, so dig it out, be careful because it's got thorns.